Hello everyone, I'm Chirag. Today I'll be showing you how we can deploy n8n using Kubernetes on local Minikube cluster. So before we deploy n8n, we need some prerequisites. So you should have Minikube and kubectl installed on your laptop. I have Minikube installed. When you install Minikube, make sure you have hypergit driver for the Minikube. As a first step, started Minikube. Now we need to deploy PostgreSQL because n8n requires Postgres as a database. So before we deploy Postgres as Kubernetes deployment, I will walk you through the Postgres manifest file. So this is Postgres manifest file. So we have deployment, uh, environment variable configured as a pass, like for password, user, DB. Then as it is database, we have this persistent volume as a host path and persistent volume claim, which is mounted on port. And also we have service for Postgres, and it is exposed as node port 3007. So now let's deploy Postgres first. So Postgres is getting deployed. Now let's go to the n8n deployment. So this is n8n deployment manifest. For n8n, we have this deployment and n8n service. Again, this service is exposed as a node port 3008. Important thing here for the n8n is environment variables. So we need to give the connection detail for the Postgres here in environment variable, and then we need to provide these two are the important thing here: webhook tunnel URL and webhook URL. Webhook URL I have given the host name. I will show you later where I have configured this host name, as it is deployed on local machine only, but I have configured this host name because it is required when we implement OAuth and webhook URL in n8n workflows. Okay, so Postgres, it is getting deployed, and now n8n. Okay, so let me go through this one. Okay, Postgres is ready. Now I'm deploying n8n. Okay, n8n is also getting deployed. Okay, now as you can see, we have ports and services deployed for both Postgres and n8n. Now I will show you the entry. It is host files. So this is the entry, and I have mentioned the Minikube IP. So somewhere you need to mention this Minikube IP with this n8n.local.com host name in your etc host file. Okay, now let's access the service. Okay, and similar way we can access using this host name also. And as this is first time, it will show you the sign up page, but nothing to worry because this will be storing all the information in your local DB. And here is n8n deployment is ready, so you can create the workflow. And once you sign out, it will show you the sign in page. Next time you don't need to sign up again, and whatever credential you entered, same credential you can use for sign in. And once you sign in, again you are back in your workflow. Okay, that is it for today. I'll be putting this GitHub link in the description, so go through it, and please let me know if you have any query or doubt in the comment section. Thank you for watching.